Yo, it's your boy Me 2 Times in the building, Mr. Get Right to Get Left, and welcome back to another episode of Real Talk with M2X, man. Hey, man, I just want to say thank y'all so much, bro. Like, that video going crazy, it's sitting at almost 160K views right now, bro. And like I said, I just want to thank y'all, bro. I know I say that every time, but look, man, like this shit changing my life, man. Like, real shit, bro. Like, we just hit 5K subs, bro. Yeah, I see the Telegram in the background going crazy. So if y'all want to join that Telegram, link in the description below. We got almost 500 people in that mug. And yeah, man, and y'all can tell like my mood bright and happy, man. I'm on my 5th day, man. And for real, I'm not even counting the days. But the real reason I'm happy and in a good mood, bro, is because God woke me up. You feel me? He woke me up for another day, man. And I'm thankful for that, because some people didn't wake up today, bro. And I went to church today, man. I ain't been to church in a little minute, bro, but God been blessing me lately, so you know, I gotta start praising Him and giving Him grace again, bro. So, yeah, man. So I just want to thank y'all. I want to thank God. I want to thank, you feel me, myself for coming out of this, man. And like I said, don't count the days, even though I'm on 5 days, bro. Don't count the days, because that's gonna make you fail. Well, I think it's gonna make you fail, but in today's video, I do want to talk about you know, something. And like I said, I want all my videos to tie into each other, so it's like episodes or something like that. So this is gonna tie into the last video tied into the video before that. But let's just hop into the video, man. If y'all new, my name Meech, man. I'm on this journey of self-improvement, so if y'all wanna stay tuned and see what I'm doing, bro, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification. But yeah, let's hop right into the straight video. Let's hop straight into the video, man. I wanna let y'all know, bro, like, y'all gonna be attacked. Like right now, I'm under attack, bro, by the enemy, man. I'm under attack by the enemy, and I'm gonna give y'all a prime example. So when I was hunting about 2 days ago, and I made that video of everything, or it has to happen. I never had sleep paralysis in my life, bro, that I remember. But I always heard stories about it, how like you can't move or anything, and how like, you know, you can't talk or you can't do nothing. You're just frozen. So I never really understood, because it never happened to me. So I'm sitting there hunting in a chair. I'm in like a little green lawn chair, and I'm sitting there hunting. It's like probably like 8 o'clock in the morning, and I'm falling asleep because I'm tired. I ain't getting no sleep, and I woke up early and drove all the way out like an hour and a half. So I'm tired. So I start falling asleep, and when I'm falling asleep, I'm having these crazy dreams, and I don't know if it's because I'm taking magnesium, like I'm taking a whole bunch of vitamins, but they say magnesium and zinc and fish oil makes your dreams like so lucid and stuff like that. But I also realized, like, anytime I'm on a streak of nofap, bro, my dreams be even more lucid. So the one dream that I remember while I was sleeping in the chair, it was a quick, you know, them quick dreams that come and go like 15 minutes, but they feel like an hour. It was one of my old mans, and like you know, I don't really talk to him anymore. We still cool, I guess, but I don't really, you know, mess with him no more. He basically, in a dream, like, he had a whole bunch of face tattoos. He looked completely different, and I'm like, dang, bro, what happened to you, or something like that. Boom. But that's a whole nother story. So I'm sitting there sleeping, and bro, when I'm sleeping, like, my conscious wakes up. Like, I'm like, this is what I feel like lucid dreaming. My conscious wakes up, and I'm like, oh, I'm up, but my eyes still closed, and I'm still asleep. But I sense something coming behind me, bro. And where I'm hunting at, I'm like, there's a field, and in the middle of the field, it's like a patch of woods. So it's like I'm right here in this patch of wood, and there was a field all around me, and then there's more patch of wood. So it's like a bullseye. So I'm right here in this little patch of woods. The field surrounding me, and then surrounding the field is all woods, and it's in Western Maryland. So I'm like, bro, what's creeping up on me? And I just sense something coming behind me, bro. But I don't know how many times I try to wake up. I say it's 3, bro. But like the first time, I'm like, oh, I didn't wake up. Let me wake up. Then I'm like, bro, I can't open my eyes. I can't move. I can't wake up, bro. And the third time, I'm like, bro, I can't wake up, bro. Like in my head, I'm like, I can't wake up, bro. Like, I can't move. I can't do nothing, bro. And I'm stuck there. And I just hear this. Pay no mind to him. Like, dang, why didn't I wake up? So then I made that video, and then about like 7 hours later, when I'm driving home because I hunted the whole day. 7 hours later, when I'm driving home, I'm thinking back to it. I'm like, bro, I just had sleep paralysis, and it hit me the hardest because, bro, like, I've been trying to do this nofap thing for so long, bro, and better my life and battling this demon, this problem with lust, bro, the lust demon, and like the spirit of Jezebel, and I've always failed, bro. But now, like, I made that video and my life is going in a better way and I'm turning to God, bro. I'm having spiritual warfare, bro. I'm under attack, and y'all gonna feel the same thing, bro. Like, I don't even want to go back to watching that shit, bro. And that's how serious I am, because in the Telegram group chat, bro, like I said, over 500 people in there. And I also got a Discord, but I don't really know how to set it up. It's gonna be in the description as well. But yeah, bro, like, all of us in there, we don't even really have time to do that. We be in the group chat whenever we bored and just talking shit and just, like, you know, having fun and stuff like that. And if anybody feel like they want to relapse, we let them know, bro. No, don't relapse. And I be, if y'all in my chat, y'all know what video I be sending and say, hey, y'all want to be like this mug. So yeah, man. I don't even want to go back to that, man. I don't, like, real. Like, I love the person I'm becoming in this short span of time, bro. And everything that I wanted in life was, you know, I used to think it was fame and be famous on YouTube, but that's not what I want, bro. I don't want fame. And I tell anybody in my comments, because I read my comments, bro. A lot of y'all be saying, I don't know, you probably not gonna see this, bro. I'm gonna see it. I know it's a lot, but I'm trying to work my way through it. But I said, bro, I don't want fame. I feel like my purpose on life, in this life, God put me in this life, and my purpose is to inspire others, bro. And if fame comes with it, then that's what happens. But that's not my main goal. So don't think I'm gonna switch up or none of that, bro. And if I do, I'm gonna publicly say this, bro. Call me out on that. Let me know something. But I know I'm not gonna do that, man. So yeah, I know my job is to inspire people, bro. And you know, the more that I'm working towards that, I know the enemy's gonna try and bring me back down that rabbit hole, because he's already trying to bring people from my past back up in my life, bro. And sometimes I be blind to it and not seeing things for what they really are. But like, I gotta stay strong, bro. Like, you feel me? In this past couple of days, my life been basically life changing, bro. In these little bit of days, bro. And he trying to bring me down, but you know, I went to church today, man, and I met it's a brand new church I went to, and I met the pastor. We just connected. I told him about my story, about how I'm inspiring other people, and he was mind blown how the video blew up, and how, like, I struggled with lust and stuff. And he was telling me, like, yeah, it's a hard one to defeat, man. So, you know, I know a lot of y'all be like, turn to God, bro, and that's what I'm doing, man. Like you said, I got the cross tatted behind my neck, man. I grew up in the church, but you know, I strayed farther and farther away, and I'm still not perfect, bro. I still feel like I'm lukewarm, and I want to be a born again Christian, but it's still a lot of work I gotta, you know, achieve. Like, I even told the pastor today, I said, when I seen them kids getting baptized up there, that brought me back to a time when I got baptized. And I was telling him, like, you know, it's a lot I gotta work on, but eventually I want to be up there in front of everybody and get baptized. He was like, you will, man. It's gonna be a beautiful thing, man. And you know, I'm really looking forward to that, man. And like, I don't know, bro. Like, I've always been wishing to inspire people. Like I said, I was telling people around me, hey, look, porn's not good for you, or how to self-improve, and they wouldn't listen, bro. So God was like, he gave me a gift. Hey, you telling all these people they're not listening, you're wasting your breath on them. Say it to the world, bro. And I always use this analogy, bro. You can bring a horse to water, but you can't make them drink, bro. You could tell people so much stuff, but if they don't want the knowledge, if they don't have the thirst for it, they're not gonna drink it, bro. So that's why I just posted on YouTube, bro, and I'm reaching out to all y'all, man. And it's like I said, like, right now I'm really under a spiritual warfare, and I know things are gonna try and bring me down, but I can't. You feel me? I gotta stay motivated, and I got a purpose to inspire y'all, purpose to, like, a journey that we all gotta go on together, man. No matter how big I get, bro, I will still be on this journey, man. And it's gonna be ups and downs, but a straight life, bro, a straight life is boring. There's gonna be ups and downs. That's what makes life fun, bro. Ups and downs. You know, it's gonna be sad times, it's gonna be happy times, man. You're gonna be happy, you're gonna be sad, you're gonna be depressed, or you're gonna be excited, man. But if you just have a stagnant life, that's depressing, man. Just a stagnant, coasting life, that is depressing. But ups and downs, at least you can say, oh, yesterday I felt like shit, but today I feel amazing. Like, it's way better than yesterday, man. So yeah, man, like I knew me having that sleep paralysis was like a wake-up call. Like, yeah, you're being attacked, you're under attack, this demon's trying to pull you back, but I can't go back, bro. I can't. I got a purpose, man. I found my purpose in life, man, and you can too, bro. Whatever dream you got, bro, do it, man. Don't hold back. I was telling my sister today, like, she wanna do something similar to me, even though she don't know fully what I'm doing. She wants to tell people stuff and inspire, but she says she feels like she's not ready. And I said, that's fine, but you know, you're gonna think yourself out of something, bro. Just start. You feel me? I still be recording. I got over $2,000, maybe $3,000 in camera equipment. I'm recording on my first camera ever, but I still be recording on my iPhone, bro. That video I made that blew up, that's a lot of y'all know me from, was off my iPhone. Didn't even edit it or nothing, bro. So I'm telling y'all, bro, like, when y'all in this journey or any journey of quitting addictions, bro, there's gonna be ups and downs. There's gonna be spiritual warfare, bro, but you gotta maintain and push through it, bro, and stay strong. And remember this video whenever y'all going through something, bro. I know shit get hard, man. I really know it do, bro. But one thing can change your life, bro. And making that one video changed my life, bro. That one experience of that girl, me not being able to do something, bro, that changed my life. I thought it was the worst. The time it happened, I thought it was the worst. But God did that for a reason, bro. He was like, I don't want you giving your temple to this person. They're not good for you. And he showed me, bro. And he made something good out of it, bro. I turned my pain into purpose, bro. And I'm gonna make a video on that soon, bro. So stay tuned, man. With that being said, bro, like I said, bro, I love y'all. You feel me? Y'all my brothers, y'all my sisters, y'all my family now, man. We locked in like this. And without God, nothing is possible, bro. Without God, nothing is possible. I can do all things through Christ, bro. Yeah, bro, like, if y'all going through anything, man, hit me up, bro. I don't be on IG as much, but I'm gonna try and respond to y'all stuff. Comment in the description in the comments below, bro. Hit my Telegram or Discord up, man. And yeah, bro, just stay strong, stay disciplined, and stay motivated, man. Y'all got this. We got this, bro. We in it together, man. So with that being said, man, I'll catch y'all on the next video, man. Gang.